Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple is currently testing iOS 18.4.1 internally according to data spotted in several visitor logs, often a pretty reliable indicator of upcoming iOS releases. The update is expected to roll out within the next week or two, possibly even sooner. As the version number suggests, iOS 18.4.1 will be a minor update focused on bug fixes and security improvements rather than introducing new features. Apple typically does not release developer or public betas for these smaller updates. It's worth pointing out that this release will serve as a short-term update before the larger iOS 18.5, which is still in beta testing and expected to launch publicly in May. So far, iOS 18.5 includes only a couple of minor tweaks in the Mail and Settings apps. Looking ahead, the first beta of iOS 19 is anticipated to arrive following Apple's WWDC 2025 keynote on June 9. So stay tuned as Apple continues to refine and roll out updates ahead of its next major iOS launch.